Hey everyone, today we will be looking at ProjectManager.com software tutorial, your all-in-one solution for managing tasks, teams, and workflows with efficiency and ease. In this walkthrough, we will guide you on through the core features of the platform, from setting up your workspace and creating tasks to managing teams, automating workflows, tracking progress, and generating reports. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be fully equipped to make the most out of ProjectManager.com and use it as a hub for all your project management needs. Let's start with the basics, signing up and setting up your workspace. Once you have signed up for an account, you'll be prompted to set up your first project. Give your project a name, select the type of project you are working on, whether it is software development, marketing, operations, or general business, and set deadlines, milestones, and permissions accordingly. The user interface is clean and intuitive, designed to help you focus on what matters. On your dashboard, you will see your products, present activity, and notifications. Now let's dive into task management, one of the platform's core features. Click on a project and navigate to the Task tab. Here you can create new tasks by simply clicking the Add Task button. Each task can be given a title, description, due date, and assigned team members. You can also break down tasks into subtasks, set dependencies, and attach files or comments. ProjectManager.com supports multiple views for task management, like List View, Kanban board, Gantt chart, and Calendar view. If you are a visual planner, the Gantt chart is especially useful. It allows you to set timelines and dependencies in a drag-and-drop interface. Kanban boards are perfect for agile teams who prefer visualizing work in progress. Switching between views is seamless, and any updates made in one view are automatically reflected across the others. Collaborating with teams and automating workflows. From the Teams tab, you can invite members via email and assign them roles, whether they are viewers, editors, or project managers. Each member has their own dashboard where they can see tasks assigned to them, communicate through task comments, and track their own progress. You can create custom groups or departments, which is especially useful for larger organizations or cross-functional teams. Notifications can be configured so that team members receive alerts when tasks are updated, completed, or reassigned. There is also an in-app chat and comment system, so communication stays contextual and tied to the specific work item. No need to jump between emails or third-party messaging apps. Let's move on to workflow automation, which saves you time and reduces the risk of human error. In the automation settings, you can set up triggers and actions, such as automatically assigning a task to a team member when it reaches a certain stage, or changing the task status when a due date is met. These automations are highly customizable and can be configured to suit your team's workflow. You can also set rules for task prioritization, notifications, or file uploads. This helps ensure that routine processes happen automatically, so you can focus on more strategic tasks. Automation is especially valuable when managing recurring tasks or multi-stage processes like onboarding, campaign development, or sprint planning. Now let's look at time tracking and resource management, which are critical for budgeting and keeping projects on schedule. ProjectManager.com includes built-in timesheets that allows team members to log hours against tasks. Managers can review, approve, or reject submitted timesheets directly from the platform. The resource management feature gives you visibility into team workload, so you can see who is overloaded and who has availability. This makes it easier to balance assignments and avoid burnout. You can also forecast future workloads and adjust timelines accordingly. Real-time dashboards display key metrics like hours logged, task completion rates, and resource utilization, helping you make data-driven decisions about staffing and timelines. Tracking progress, reporting, and best practices. Under the Reports section, you will find pre-built and customizable templates for generating detailed project reports. This includes status reports, task progress, team performance, budget tracking, and timeline analysis. You can filter reports by date, team member, or project. and schedule them to be sent automatically to stakeholders on a recurring basis. The visual reports include graphs, charts, and tables that make it easy to interpret performance at a glance. If you're managing multiple projects, the Portfolio Dashboard offers a bird's-eye view of all ongoing initiatives, allowing you to track health, progress, and risk across your portfolio in one place. Integration and file sharing are also important components of the ProjectManager.com experience. The platform integrates seamlessly with tools like Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, Slack, Dropbox, and Excel. This means you can easily import documents, sync calendars, and communicate across platforms without redundancy. File versioning ensures you always have access to the latest version of any document, and access control settings let you define who can view or edit shared files. This not only improves collaboration, but also enhances data security. Another standout feature is mobile access with the ProjectManager.com mobile app, available on both iOS and Android. You can manage tasks, review project updates, and communicate with your team on the go. The mobile app mirrors many of the desktop features, including task creation, comment threads, timesheet entry, and real-time notifications. Whether you are in a meeting, commuting, or working remotely, you will have full control over your projects from anywhere. To help new users get started quickly, ProjectManager.com offers a knowledge base and training resources. You can access video tutorials, help articles, and live chat support directly from the platform. There are also onboarding webinars and product tours for teams that want guided setup assistance. For enterprises users, dedicated customer success managers are available to provide more personalized support and best practices for scaling use across large teams. As we wrap up this tutorial, let's go over a few best practices to make the most out of ProjectManager.com. First, keep your workspace organized by using consistent naming conventions for tasks and projects. Use tags and categories to classify tasks for easier filtering. Second, maintain regular check-ins using the platform's reporting and dashboard tools to review progress and realign goals. Third, encourage your team to log hours and update tasks regularly to ensure your dashboards and reports reflect real-time progress. Finally, take advantage of the automation features to reduce manual work and enforce consistent workflows. In conclusion, ProjectManager.com is a powerful and flexible platform that adapts to a whole range of industries and project types. Its combination of task management, team collaboration, automation, time tracking, reporting, and integrations make it an ideal choice for both small teams and large organizations. By implementing the tips and features we have discussed today, you can lead your projects with more clarity, accountability, and efficiency than ever before. If you haven't already, start exploring ProjectManager.com and transform the way you plan, execute, and deliver your work. And that is all there is on ProjectManager.com software tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.